Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fun Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my steak fajita pasta, okay? My first time making it, my friend taught me how to do it, but I'm gonna see if I remember everything she taught me, okay? Let me show you guys what I have. Over here, I have my pasta already cooked, okay? And also I have my broccoli, okay? I have all my vegetables, mushrooms and bell pepper, everything else, okay? Over here, as you can see, I have my pot warming up and I have my steaks already cooked, okay? And also I have my onions cut up. Let me show you what else I have. I have my garlic, okay? And my sun-dried tomatoes, okay? And also I have my heavy cream, okay? And let's start cooking, guys. Okay, come over here. Like I said, guys, my first time making it, so let's see if I remember everything. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my garlic, okay, and I have my mozzarella cheese, okay. Alright, now I'm cooking my garlic. Okay. And by the way, guys, my hand already clean up, okay, so don't worry, okay. I add my thyme and I'm going to add my mushroom. That food was so good, guys. And I said, why not just go ahead and then try it. Okay, see if I remember everything she did. And so since my first time making it, okay, if I did a good job, I'm going to keep doing it, okay? So that's why I'm testing myself today. Okay, and then guys, that's when I'm going to add my sticks, okay? Let me stir that up, stuffing up. Okay, now I'm going to add my sun-dried tomatoes, okay, a teaspoon, not too much, okay, and I'm going to add my red chili powder. You gotta make it spicy, guys, because that's what she did. Okay, my cumin. Okay, and my dry parsley, and paprika. Okay, and also I'm going to add my onion. How am I doing good so far, guys? I think I'm doing pretty good, right? Yeah, looking good so far. Okay, and now what I'm going to do, guys, of course you gotta have your pesto. Okay, 1 teaspoon. All right, and also I'm going to add some black pepper. Okay, and onion powder. Okay, and my ginger powder, guys. Definitely you gotta have that. It's good for you. Okay, and also I'm going to use a little bit of garlic salt. Not too much because my steaks already cooked up with my marinades. Okay, now let me give it a stir. It smells so good, guys. I cannot wait to start eating that delicious pasta. Okay, now what I'm going to do, everything cooked. Okay, I'm going to let that cook for like 2 more minutes, and then when we come back, we add everything else. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now I'm going to add some bouillon. Okay, 1 teaspoon. Okay, since I already add my garlic salt and the steaks already has salt, so I'm not going to use too much salt. Okay. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add my heavy cream. Okay, I think I'm going good. I'm doing good so far, guys. Okay, what do you think? Yeah, I think so. Okay, now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to add my cream cheese. Okay, 1 big spoon. It's up to you. Okay, and also I'm going to add my cheese, my mozzarella cheese. Okay, not too much. Okay, just a full hand. Okay, all right, I have to keep stirring it, guys, so my cheese don't get burned at the bottom. Okay, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to let that boil. When we come back, we'll just add our pasta, okay, and the steaks. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now it's time for our steak and the pasta. Okay, let me show you guys. You see, as you can see, my sauce already cooking, and I just added my spinach, broccoli, guys. Now I'm adding my meat. Okay, and also after that I'm going to add my pasta. Okay, looking good so far, guys. I think I'm doing great. I don't think I missed anything out. Okay, let me give it a stir. You said, guys, everything looks so good. You see? Not bad. First time. Not bad at all. Okay. All right. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to just let that cook for 5 minutes, and then because I don't want my pasta overcooked, so when we come back, we'll just add the pasta. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, let me show you guys what's going on. Okay, my pasta already cooked. Look at that, guys, looking beautiful. You see that? I think I did a great job. Okay, so what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to let it cook. Stay a little bit for like 5 minutes, 5 more minutes, and then when we come back, everything should be ready. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, everything's ready now. Okay, let me show you guys my plate. Okay, over here, as you can see, you see that? Look at that, guys, very beautiful. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my parsley. For you gotta have your decoration, guys. Okay, and also I'm going to spread some fresh parsley on top of everything, everywhere, so everybody can get some parsley. Okay, all right, guys, that's it. Okay, first time, guys, not too bad. Okay, all right, guys, that's it for me today, guys. If you like this video, okay, don't forget to subscribe and give it a try. If I can do it, guys, give it a try. You can do it too. Okay, so have a wonderful day. Enjoy. Bye.